Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I will be doing this really easy, fun devil look for Halloween. So if you would like to see how I did this, please keep watching. Alright y'all, so I have already done my foundation and my eyebrows as well as priming my eyes so we can go ahead and get started on the eyeshadow. So the first color I'm going to use is inside of the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's this color right here, and this one is called Hunts. The next color I'm going to use inside the Jaclyn Hill palette is this color right here, and it is called Jax. So the next color I'm going to use is this color right here, this color right here, and it is called Roxanne. Next, I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to use this color right here on the end, and it is called Crayon Apple. Next, I'm going to go in with this color right here, and it is called Sissy. Next, I'm going to wet my brush. And I'm going to go in to this color right here, and it is called Faint. To build up into the brow, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this color right here, which is called MFEO. To line the underneath of my eyes, I'm going to go in with that original color that we started it with right here, which is called Hunt. Now I'm going to wipe away all of the bake underneath my eyes. For liner, I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liner in Intense Black. For mascara, I'm going to start with the They're Real by Benefit. This is a lash primer that I am absolutely obsessed with. I use it pretty much every day, especially when I'm not wearing falsies. It's great because you can use it on its own or you can add actual mascara on top of it, and it just makes them look long and luxurious on their own without falsies. Even though I'm going to add falsies today, I still like to use it. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex. This is the waterproof. For lashes, I'm going to use the Ardell. These are the Fox Mink lashes. This is just a 2-pack that I picked up. Next, I'm going to contour using the Kevyn Aucoin Making Faces palette. For blush, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized blush, and this is in Warm Soul. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Holographic, and this is the Prismatic highlighter in 050. To highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow, I'm going to go into the Alchemist palette by Kat Von D, and I'm going to be using the Opal, which is the pink one, down at the bottom. To blend everything together, I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix in NW10. For lips today, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Misfit, and then I'm going to pair it with the Tarte Lip Paint, and this one is in XOXO. To set everything down, I'm going to use my Fix Plus by MAC. Alright y'all, so I hope you have enjoyed this fun Halloween tutorial. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more of me, please subscribe and hit the bell so it will ding when I post new tutorials. So I will see y'all soon. Alright, bye!